If Microsoft Word is showing error 39, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This issue is often tied to a security setting or an installation problem in Microsoft Office, and the good news is that you can usually resolve it without advanced technical skills. We'll start with the most common fix, then we'll move into the Office repair step so you can get Word working again as quickly as possible. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when more troubleshooting videos are posted. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Click it to open the Windows Security app. Once it launches, look on the left or in the main dashboard for Device Security. Click Device Security and then select Core Isolation Details. This is where Windows manages a protection feature called Memory Integrity. Now find the Memory Integrity switch and turn it off. If Windows asks for confirmation, approve it and continue. This setting can sometimes interfere with Microsoft Word or Office components, especially if there's a compatibility issue with drivers or system protection features. Turning it off is a common first troubleshooting step for this type of error. After you change that setting, restart your computer. This part is important because the change won't fully apply until Windows boots back up. Once your PC restarts, open Microsoft Word again and check whether the error is gone. If Word still isn't launching properly or the error continues to appear, move on to the next step. Now we're going to repair Microsoft Office. Open the control panel from the Start menu, then go to Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, find your Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 installation. If you have trouble finding it, you can sort the list alphabetically and look for anything beginning with Microsoft. Once you find it, right-click the Microsoft Office entry and choose Change or Modify. This will open the repair options for your Office installation. Depending on your version of Office, you may see either a quick repair option, an online repair option, or a similar maintenance window. If you're given the choice, start with quick repair first because it's faster and can fix many common issues without needing a full reinstall. If quick repair doesn't solve the problem, you can come back and try the deeper repair option. The repair tool will check Office files, replace missing or damaged components, and restore the installation to a healthier state. Let it finish completely before opening Word again. Once the repair is done, restart your computer one more time if Windows prompts you to, or if you want to make sure everything refreshes properly. Then open Microsoft Word and test it again. In many cases, that will clear error 39 and get everything running normally. If the issue is still there after these steps, the next thing to consider is updating Windows, checking your Office version, or reinstalling Microsoft Office entirely. But for most users, turning off memory integrity and repairing Office will fix the problem. That's it for this tutorial on how to fix Microsoft Word error 39. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Word or Office errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.